Yeah, we just screened our film here at the Nordic Embassy here in Berlin at the Screen Talent Europe during the Berlinale.
So today our film was shown at Screen Talent Europe on the big screen, so that was very exciting.
Screen Talent Europe is a network of film workshops and media centers across Europe, and our aim is to connect filmmakers so that we can help emerging film talents to grow.
So in 2023 I was taking part in a program called Directors Village, and that was organized by Screen Talent Europe, and I developed my idea there, and then after that I shot the film.
I would definitely recommend other filmmakers to join. It's a beautiful opportunity to meet European filmmakers, to talk about why you make film and see different kinds of films.
And if you look behind us now, you see a lot of people from all over Europe who are networking, making new connections, bridging gaps. I think that is the core of Screen Talent Europe.